Hello people, welcome back to the channel. I am Vish
I'm Vishali.
और आज हम देखने वाले हैं
कल की 289880 ट्रेलर.
I mean let's go यार मतलब okay so what do we know about this movie already? We have watched one teaser
और वो भी मैंने नहीं देखा था.
उसके बाद भी कुछ चीजें आई थी मतलब I guess some introductions of some characters we missed them
हाँ.
but it's okay because मुझे इतना भी पसंद नहीं है कि मूवी से पहले उसकी सारी चीजें देख लो सारी चीजें पता कर लो. I mean I didn't even like to watch trailers at first but now I've grown to like them.
Obviously.
So okay अभी हम ट्रेलर देखने वाले हैं. बाकी इतना ही पता है जितना टीजर में दिखाया था. It's kind of a dystopian movie. It's set in that kind of a place and it is kind of a sci-fi movie.
So I didn't watch the teaser for this movie. युगी नगर इसने शूट किया था I remember and I couldn't watch it at the time. और उसके बाद I know कि बहुत सारा मटेरियल आ चुका है मूवी से रिलेटेड and personally I don't mind watching them जैसे तूने बोला.
Yeah, I don't mind them either.
क्योंकि I believe कि अगर वो दे रहे हैं तो it's fine. इसमें कुछ
I
हालांकि
mean,
कभी-कभी
वो अपनी स्ट्रेटजी के हिसाब से
बट
देते हैं तो-
कभी-कभी होती है वो चीज जो तू बोल रहा है
कभी-कभी
वो
spoil
ज्यादा
कर
they
देते हैं.
just spoil everything. But yeah, I believe this is one of the biggest projects that's coming in 2024. Is it coming in 2024?
नहीं मुझे नहीं लगता.
So I'm just
But मुझे
very
लगता है
excited
actually I think it's coming this
to
year.
dive into
Yeah.
the trailer. So let's go.
Okay.
That looks
definitely dystopian.
ఈ భూమి మీద మొదటి నగరం
like
Okay.
okay.
చివరి నగరం కాశీ
Okay.
పైన
I was
నీలం
about to
రాస్తా.
say
భూమిని మొత్తం పీల్చేస్తే అన్నీ అక్కడే ఉంటాయి ఈ లోకంలో ఉన్నది కాంప్లెక్స్ ఒకటే దేవుడు ఒక్కడే సుప్రీం జస్టిస్
నీలాంటోడు ఎంత మందిని రక్షించొచ్చో తెలుసా
నేను రక్షించాల్సిందే ఒక్కడే 6000 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం కనిపించింది ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఆ పవర్ వచ్చిందంటే ఇక వెలుగు వచ్చే సమయం అయింది
okay.
నాకు ఇప్పుడు కనపోయేది మామూలు ప్రాణం కాదమ్మా సృష్టి నేను
Woohoo!
దీన్ని ఎలాగైనా ఆపి తీరాలి
Oh my god.
పొద్దున్నే ఫైట్ వచ్చింది
Woo!
ఎంతమంది కళ్ళు ఉన్నారు తెలుసా మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ లో ఉన్నామంట 1 మిలియన్ యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయని దగ్గర ఏమీ లేవు
Okay.
యూనిట్స్ ఎక్కువ
నీకు జస్ట్ నువ్వంటేనే ఇష్టం భైరవా
ప్రపంచంలో ఒకటే ఒక సైడ్ నీ సైడ్ హై
I mean, justifying the rebel Star Prabhas image.
What is happening but
ఒక్కడనే అమ్మాయిని తీసుకురాలేము అంత షూర్ రికార్డ్స్ చూసుకో ఎంతవరకు ఒక్క ఫైట్ కూడా ఓడిపోలేదు
Okay.
ఈ యుద్ధం మళ్ళీ మొదలైనట్టుంది
Yeah.
all right.
ఇది కూడా ఓడిపోను
वो तो हमने देख ही लिया सलाह में. God damn it! That shot was
Okay.
that was Amitabh, right? Oh my god.
ఇంకా తొలి ఊపిరి కూడా తీసుకొని ఈ బిడ్డ కోసం ఇంకెంత మంది చనిపోవాలి
భయపడకు మరో ప్రపంచం వస్తుంది
Okay, it's definitely sci-fi, and it's definitely not on Earth as we know it. It's a different world. It's the kind of a world that people make for themselves after just ending and finishing
the world.
and ending every resource on Earth to live. तो फिर क्या ही कर सकते हैं, फिर दूसरी जगह पे जाते हैं.
पर मुझे तो बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. related
Okay,
to the
okay, okay.
story. I
So-
mean, I get the background, I get the atmosphere, and everything, but I am really confused right now.
I think they're just trying to show that atmosphere and build the world in this trailer. Just kind of give us the idea.
Yeah, about the world.
Yeah, how it's going to be.
कि क्या,
And
हाँ, okay.
जो मेन उस मूवी में उसके एम्स होंगे, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होंगे कैरेक्टर के, I don't think they're trying to show them to us right now.
Yes, okay.
I think they're just trying to show
trying
us-
to not tell anything
Yeah.
about the story.
Yeah.
तो वो सिर्फ आपको
I mean,
familiarize करवा रहे हैं
yes,
with
yes.
the
And also they're just kind of giving us a hint about how special the main character is by
हाँ,
saying
okay.
that
हाँ,
ये
कि he
चेंज
has
लाएगा,
never-
यही दुनिया में सब कुछ सही कर देगा, और ये भी इन्होंने काफी
और अमिताभ
open-
के बारे में
ये जो नॉर्मल ट्रोप्स होते हैं इन इस टाइप की मूवीज में कि एक ऐसा वर्ल्ड होता है जिसमें सब कुछ खराब हो रहा होता है, क्योंकि
हाँ.
एक इवल पावर होती है, अथॉरिटी होती है जो सब पे राज कर रही होती है, काइंड ऑफ यू नो
हाँ.
कंट्रोलिंग एवरीथिंग,
हम्म.
और वो बेसिकली जो नॉर्मल जनता होती है उनको एक तरीके से काफी एक्सप्लॉइट करता है.
राइट.
तो उनमें से ही एक, उन जनता में से ही कोई एक ऐसा मसीहा निकलता है. आई थिंक दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर प्रभास इज प्लेइंग, एंड फॉर अमिताभ बच्चन I think it's a very important character in this movie.
It's
He's like a very important character
and
in this
at
movie.
this point you feel like कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो अमिताभ बच्चन ने नहीं किया हो, and then Kalki comes out
And then he
you're
does
like,
Brahmastra,
wait,
and then
what?
this, like,
What
okay.
is going on? Like he is total. First of all, I'm very impressed कि this is a pan India movie, right?
Yeah,
So they
obviously.
must have dubbed it in several languages.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो Deepika and Amitabh, they were speaking in Telugu.
Yeah,
It was Telugu.
I think so. I think
And I don't know Telugu, but they sounded
so.
pretty fine to me, and
Deepika-
I really would love to know ki are they actually speaking just
so I
like the
guess-
native people?
So I guess Deepika is from that part of
हाँ,
the
हाँ, हाँ.
country.
But
for
Amitabh-
Amitabh Bachchan, I think he's already done some movies like that.
But it's really commendable that actors do this.
I
क्योंकि
mean,
हमने प्रभास को देखा है,
हिंदी
साउथ
बोलते
एक्टर्स
हुए.
को देखा है perfect हिंदी बोलते हुए, and I would really love to know how they actually are doing in that language. And apart from that, this is a great project, man. This involves
इतनी
so many people.
खतरनाक, इतनी खतरनाक कास्ट, इतनी खतरनाक कास्ट, and then this kind of a ambitious project. Not everyone can pull
And
this off.
something tells me that Amitabh is against Prabhas in the movie.
I don't think so.
क्योंकि they literally were fighting in one shot.
I think they were just
जहाँ पे
having
he
that
was-
kind of you know, one scene where the master was trying to teach.
Yeah,
the,
could be.
Okay.
Right, क्योंकि he Prabhas का role is also not.
It's kind of a
very
rebel kind
serious.
of a role.
हाँ, it's not very serious, and I
हाँ.
love it for that क्योंकि मैंने उस वैसे स्टाइल में कभी प्रभास को देखा नहीं है. So
मैं सिर्फ इसी चीज के लिए थोड़ा सा डाइस नहीं था इस ट्रेलर से पहले कि इस ट्रेलर में हमको कोई फ्लेवर दे पाएंगे इस मूवी में, बट
They did.
इन दिस ट्रेलर दे
हाँ.
did give us flavors.
flavor of the movie that the
Yeah.
movie is not going to be all serious first of all, and second of all the characters are
And
phenomenal.
I mean,
Something you've
visually,
never seen before.
Visually, for
Visually-
this kind of a movie, it looks international grade. And
Yeah.
when I say international grade, I don't mean कि हमारे अच्छे नहीं होते, उनके अच्छे होते हैं, but it's obvious कि हम लोगों के पास resources उनसे तो कम ही होते हैं. But this movie does look like that international
Yeah,
level
and I'm
visually.
really excited for us to finally move on to that sphere of those movies, because we can do it and we do have the
Sci-fi. I mean,
resources.
and it's such an intelligent choice
Yes.
to have Prabhas as the main actor.
Yeah, definitely, because
क्योंकि
he can
bring
merge
people.
both
He can
the,
bring people.
and he can
from
also merge
everywhere.
both the aspect, the fighting and the sci-fi aspect of it, and he can
Looks
like act.
so good. Prabhas
It looks
looks
so-
good.
but the-
Amitabh looks so good.
The
And
whole movie looks so Dune-esque for some reason, and for
I
all
have to
the good
search
reasons.
one thing. I have to search one thing. There was Kamal Hassan somewhere in this movie.
Was he?
Did you catch him?
No, I did not. But if I don't know if it been Kamal Hassan, तो इतना scene तो नहीं होता.
I mean, they're just trying to keep it
It
under
would have-
wraps. I think
could
they're just
be.
trying to keep it under wraps. And this is Kamal Hassan.
Oh my God! Was it
I
because
was-
it looked so familiar, and I was like,
Exactly.
is he someone I know? Is that fucking Kamal Hassan
Yes.
right now?
और मुझे लग रहा था कि okay,
Oh
I've read
my
somewhere कि
God.
I've read somewhere कि इस ट्रेलर में कहीं ना कहीं कमल हासन है. I just read it. I didn't want to read it, but then I was looking for him in the trailer क्योंकि I love Kamal Hassan.
Okay.
And then I
you
saw
were like,
this
yeah, I
frame
could
and
see your reaction, and you were like, You were like looking for him,
Yeah.
and then when you looked at him, you were trying to figure out if that's him.
80% sure.
I'm like, this movie is giving new kind of role that they've never done before to legendary actors like Kamal Hassan and Amitabh Bachchan. Are you freaking kidding
No,
me?
I think Kamal Hassan has done some sci-fi movies and some roles like this.
Okay.
But I think it feels new for
It feels-
other actors.
It's just out of the world.
See,
I did not identify him
there's
at
there's
all.
Dulquer Salman in it. I didn't catch him because I don't know him
I
as
think
much.
he's playing Disha Patni's love interest.
Then
I
who's
don't
playing
know.
Prabhas's love interest?
Deepika, for sure.
Isn't she the mother?
Are you what? Okay, we shouldn't roast our channel more than that by guessing everything wrong.
Okay,
We'll
so
just wait for the movie to come out and then we'll watch together on the channel as the tradition goes. And this trailer was Cinema Goggles approved for
approved.
sure.
Nice trailer.
So we'll see
Well
you in the
put
next
together.
one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.